Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike.
I'm Tanya.
With Fowler Family Farm. Today we have a friend of ours coming out, and his name's Bryce. We've been keeping his chickens for the past couple of weeks, his meat chickens. He went out of town. We were supposed to butcher them a couple of weeks ago. He got sick, couldn't do it. And then he went out of town, so I took care of the meat chickens, me and Tanya did. Now he's on his way out here, and we're just gonna butcher them here at our house. He should be here in about an hour. We're gonna go ahead and start setting things up. Thought we'd bring you guys along.
Bring the bleach! Where's it at? We're gonna talk a minute with my husband. Hey, come here! I know you're in a hurry and all, but when I asked for some bleach...
Honey, I know it's almost empty.
It is empty.
No, it's not.
What good is this gonna do me?
A little bit of good. Just a little bit.
No good. It's completely empty, you guys. He
Hey,
handed me a bleach bottle that was completely empty.
I edit the videos, so that probably won't make it.
Completely empty. So I'm gonna go make some bleach. He brought me an empty bottle.
It's not empty. It had some in it.
He brought me an empty bottle.
It did have some in it, I promise. She just used it. Okay, Tanya just sprayed that wasp nest, and they are very slow. We only saw 4 on there.
Hey, look at the ground.
I'm going to show them here in a minute. But they're all behind it because of how cool it is this morning. We need to get the spray and spray them again. But they just keep falling. Look at that. They're everywhere. They're all over the grass too. Jenny's doing better.
Yeah.
Hi, Jenny. Y'all have to give her some medicine?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Y'all took her to the vet, didn't you?
Yeah. Y'all coming in?
I'll stay here. Have fun.
Hi, kid. Hi, kiddo. He was gonna be
Hi, Jenny.
He's pretty friendly, too, isn't he?
Yeah,
She's running and jumping now.
Yeah, she feels much better.
I've never been down this close to this one.
Ducks. Man, we have ducks. I didn't even know it.
What are you doing,
Hey,
Chip?
Chipper. Come here.
Billy Goat Gruff?
Hey, buddy.
He's a beard.
What are you doing? Chip. Chip, where are you going? You can't go with the guys. You can't go with the guys. Chip wants to go with you. Chip wants to go with you.
Oh, okay. Hello, Bella. Oh, beautiful Bella.
Bryce, go catch you a chicken.
Yeah, right.
Come on.
I ain't getting flogged. I'm sure he's got
Not that chicken. Your chicken.
Oh,
Not
I
that.
need to catch one of my meat chickens. I was like, Tanya, why do you want me to catch one of your chickens?
He's molting. He looks awful.
All right. You know what? Did they do it to themselves, or I thought y'all might already got them ready. There's 3 of them trapped in that cage.
Just grab one. Yep. There you go. That was easy.
This is Bryce. This is our friend. We know him from high school. He lives probably, I don't know, 15 miles?
Yeah.
Maybe 15 miles straight west of us. These are his chickens that we've been raising for the past couple of weeks. He's butchered turkey, but not chicken. Pretty much the same. But you've never dispatched one other than shooting it, right?
Right.
Okay, so this will be a little different, but he'll get the hang of it really quick. So these are called killing cones or dispatch cones. We're not going to show that portion on video because we'll get demonetized. But we will talk about it, how we do it, and how you should do it, or how you could do it. So go ahead and
Breast first.
breast out.
Breast out.
Yeah. And then reach up there and grab the head and pull the head through. Oh, that'll, yeah.
You might have to take your glove off.
You ain't joking.
There you go. Yeah, just keep pressure on the bottom, just like that, and keep the head out. All right.
There we go.
There we go.
Okay, so just like on us, there's a main artery or vein that runs up through your neck. And when you dispatch these chickens, you can do a quick slice on that, and that's it. Just let the blood drain out. Or you can take a knife like this. Instead of just slicing, you can actually cut the entire head off.
Which they flop around a lot more if you do that.
They do flop around a lot more, but some people have an easier time doing that because you don't have to be, like when you cut just the artery, you got to be pretty precise to know exactly where it's at, but it's usually just right below your jaw, just like here on us, it's right below the chicken's jaw too.
And right now he's not feeling a thing. He's kind of happy actually, or
Yeah,
she.
and when they're upside down like this and you slice them like that, they don't even know it. They start bleeding and they bleed out before they even know it, and they're usually dead before they even realize it. Now you will see kicking and twitching, but that's natural for anything that's alive. When it dies, it's going to do that. That's just nerves. I personally like to just take the entire head off, just to get, because you have to take the head off anyway. So I prefer doing it that way.
And then just hold it.
Yeah, and then I just put pressure up here because it is going to
Flop
twitch
around.
a little bit.
Yeah.
But that's all I do. But you can do it either way.
Tanya Fowler Family Farm T-shirt.
Oh, you got it on? Yeah.
Oh, did you have the camera rolling?
Uh-huh.
That burned it.
It's a good thing.
Okay, so we've got our, we have all of our stuff set up, by the way. I don't know if I talked about that a while ago. The water that you're boiling here needs to be about 150, not really a boil, but it needs to be about 150 so that the feathers loosen up. And as long as you can pick those feathers out pretty easily, 10 to 15 seconds, maybe up to 20, then they're gonna go straight into the depucker. And this area over here is called your dirty side. And then the table over there is called your clean side. So you're okay to be dirty over here, but over there you need to be spot clean. You need to use bleach. I mean, we bleached everything, but once you start the process, the butchering process, this is your dirty side. And once you get over here, everything has to stay clean. You at 150? A little over, probably.
Looks like, yeah, a little over maybe.
Okay, so we probably just won't keep it in as long. All right, stick her in there and submerge her as much as you can. Yep, that's good. Go, let go. We want even the feet.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
There's like a little crispy film on the outside of the feet that you
Oh,
want to
really?
peel off before you cook it or before you
Okay.
do anything. Crunchy.
Okay, when she comes up, grab her by the feet,
Uh-huh.
and I'll check her feathers.
Okay.
Okay, and now you just want to pull some of the feathers. No, that's not good enough yet. We'll just keep her in there for a little bit more.
Bodie's mad. Those dogs must be up there again.
Yeah. Easy that is to come out.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty easy. All right, we're going to take her straight over there. Just plop her in there. Take this water hose, and you're going to take the water hose, and all you're going to do is just try to get the feathers off the sides.
Okay.
Okay, so what Tanya's doing now is she's just going to start on the feet, and these feet at the knuckle, basically, you can turn them a certain way and just make a quick slice, and they come right off. These are very easy. And then she's going to start in the neck, and she's going to loosen up that neck area, and hopefully pull the trachea out before she starts back here on this side. You see her pulling it?
Broke it.
Okay, that's fine. So now she'll turn it around and start on this side. Just a little bitty slice, little bitty hole that you'll get your fingers in, and open it up.
And you're gonna
Like noodling.
kinda.
And you can get your hand all the way up in there and just pull everything out at once, or as much of it as you can out at once.
All right. So, do we want to put it just in the ground, or did
Well, just
somebody
keep
get
it
us
over
some?
here for now until your mom. We forgot to get our trash bags and our buckets, so we're gonna. Yep, that's it. Pull it. They do make tools that you can stick in there, and like a rib scraper.
So this is lungs and liver, and you can feed all this to your chickens if you want. Honestly.
Some people feed it to their dog.
Yeah. Okay, so I do this.
Yeah.
And then I cut right through, right here, by the butt. Like there's a bone right here, and you're just gonna cut straight, like along the bone, so you don't cut anything. Yeah, she's like.
So you got 7 females over there, or 8 females with him? 7?
All those are females. So there's 9 females over there.
Oh.
Okay, so
Golly, baby's gonna be dropping like flies.
I'm gonna do this one, Bryce, and I'm gonna let you do the next one, but I'm gonna help you go through it because
Okay.
I needed to do it first.
Okay, so that was all the guts and everything.
Yeah,
got
and
the
then
legs.
you just kind
Now
of
you just make sure you go in there and clean all of it out that you missed.
like
Okay.
in the ribs and stuff.
Yeah, in the ribs or that area. All right, well, Tanya's on, I think what is this, chicken number 4?
Something like that.
This is not really going to be an instructional video. Just get together and help a friend out butchering some chickens. He's never butchered it, so I guess it's instructional for him, but not for the viewers. It's just kind of how we, hey, look at there. Look what shirt Bryce is wearing.
You betcha.
It's his
I
favorite
like the shirt. He said we're his favorite program. We're his favorite movie on YouTube.
Yep.
Look at that. He's already a pro. He's doing it all by himself over there. Bryce has butchered 2 so far, so he'll butcher this next one as well. So Tanya's removing the gizzard and the liver and the heart. That's what we keep out of this.
You don't like liver more?
What do you think? Maybe a little more?
Yeah.
A little longer. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, I'm telling you, that thing does wonders.
Even the yellow off the feet.
Golly.
That one's got a broken foot.
Sure does. Broke its leg.
So Tanya's finishing up another one, and Bryce is going to bring over another chicken, another bird.
Golly, that thing does wonders.
It's impressive, isn't it?
Yeah.
So normally we have 2 or 3 tables set up to do this. We thought it would be pretty easy just to use one table since we only had 8 to 9 chickens we're doing. Yeah, that was a mistake. We should have went ahead and set out 2 or 3 tables. Because we're having to wash this table off like after every cut, basically. Margaret over here, Grandma, is trying to do the gizzards on the same table. It's just not working out. We should have done more tables. We are on the last chicken, and Bryce is gonna butcher this one. He butchered several of them.
Well,
I can't even get that to work.
not as much as Tanya.
And this is all just it's still a learning experience. Even though this, you know, me and Tanya have done this, what is this, probably our 4th time?
Yeah, we still.
5th time?
Here, take
We
this
still
one.
learn every time.
So,
There you go. And there's,
Yeah, we still learn. Each time we learn something new or do something different and see if we like it or not. So our way is not the only way you can do this, and it's probably not the best way. So you don't have to copy us. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we will try to answer them the best we can. Okay, I wanted to show you all this. Normally we have 3 different ice chests, but today we're only using 2. We'll have a like this would be ice chest number 1, and this is where they go in and we lower their temperature with just water, and that'll drop their temperature pretty good, and it gets really dirty and it helps clean the chicken. And then like there would be another ice chest here, and it'd have a little bit of ice in it, and more water, and it would drop their temperature even more and get them a little bit even cleaner. And then you go to your third and final ice chest, and this is a lot of ice, so this drops their body temperature quite a bit. So all I have left, I've got 6 chickens in here and then 2 in this first one. Here in about 5 minutes, I'll move those 2. Those were our last 2 butchered chickens. We'll move them out and put them over here. And then this is also where we'll constantly, I'll drain all this water out here in about 2 hours, refill it and put more ice in it. And then from that point, we will start the brine. So once I drain it and refill it and put more ice in it and drop the temperature even more, we'll actually start a brine. And I'll give you what we use for our brine here in a little bit. But once we brine them, we let them sit in there for at least 24 hours. We try 48 hours, but sometimes all we can do because of our schedule is just 24 hours. We're gonna try to do these for 48 hours. And then at that point, we take them back out, bag them, shrink wrap them, put them in the freezer. Okay, we're done. Tanya's just doing some cleaning. We're gonna clean this table real thoroughly, bleach it, bleach all the knives. We take all the feathers, we'll put them over there in that big pile over there where the compost pile is. That water will actually, this is the water we dunked them in, 150 degree water. We'll move that over there to the compost pile as well. And then it's an easy process to clean up too. It doesn't take too long. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up another video. Bryce, what'd you think? Pretty easy?
Yeah, it was really easy, but it was a learning experience.
Yep. You'll be able to do it on your own?
I can't wait.
Only if we're there.
He's gonna come borrow our depucker though.
I'm just gonna call y'all and have you come over to my house
There
this
you
time.
go.
All right, so if you guys like the video, make sure you go down there and hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go down and hit the subscribe button. We're going to brine these starting tonight.
I have to get my recipe out.
That's going to be a totally separate video, so we're going to show you all that on a totally separate video because it's going to brine for probably 48 hours or so, and we'll show you how to bag them up with the same turkey fryer. So we'll see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Hey, go visit Bryce's. You have a website, right?
Yes.
Oh, come back.
Oh man,
Yeah.
I didn't know any of this.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's new.
Yeah. Okay, and you guys make sure you go visit Bryce on his website.
Bryce Ellis Band, Facebook.
So BRICEELLES.
Yes.
BAND.
And in our next video, if I can figure it out, he actually went to Vegas to sing the national anthem and to do some other gigs out there. But if I can figure out how to put it on our next video, I'll put that on our next video as well. As long as if I can figure out if it doesn't get demonetized. So we'll see.
Okay, bye guys. God bless.